It's here, the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2019. It is here, so let's open it and see what's inside. Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome to my channel. Guess what came in the mail, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to see what's in this year's Lucky Bag by Beautylish. This is my second year to get this. Last year I was able to get the extra large and my daughter got the large, and I did that video and I'll link that one down below if you want to see that one. But this year I was only able to get the large and my daughter didn't get any this year. But yeah, this year I was only able to get the large. The extra large sold out like that. I mean, I tried. I was in an elevator, and by the time I got out of the elevator at 11:02, it pretty much already sold out. So luckily I was able to get the large. This cost $75, and there should be products in here that are worth $150 or more. I believe the extra large costs $150, and you should get products there worth over $300. And they also had another one, the buy one, give one, which that's the one I wanted to get, but it sold out. That one also cost $150, and you get products for $300. And they had a Jeffree Star one, and I believe that one cost $75, but I was able to get the large, and I'm really excited. I cannot wait to see what's in here. I've been seeing other videos out there to see what they have been getting, so I cannot wait to see this. I didn't even open it yet, so let's do this. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's stuck. There we go, and there is what the inside looks like. It has the same thing as last year, but I think the wrapping is a little bit different. And a little tag here that explains the Lucky Bag. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, I believe that's how you say it, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. All right, that's cute. All right, and there is the tag up close. Now, I will say that Beautylish is an excellent company. They have great brands. They have great customer service. I did order something and one of the shadows was broken, and they refunded me the shadow. So they were really nice about it. And even how they box things, it is very professional. It comes like this. So this is nothing new for the Lucky Bags. This is how they ship their products. And this is kind of cute. It reminds me of, you know, a cummerbund in a men's tuxedo, which is really, really cute. All right, and I'm just gonna pull this out real carefully and set it down here, and there's nothing else in here, but you can see that it's perfectly wrapped, so hopefully nothing is broken. And this wrapping paper, it is so cute with the sumo wrestler and makeup. Yeah, this is cute. I'm going to keep this. And I'll also put the price of the product here so we can see how much this bag will cost. Well, let's get right to it. All right, I'm not going to look down here because I don't want to see what I got all at once, but I'm just going to pull one thing up. And yes, this is the thing that I've been seeing in everyone's bag. It's a new brand that I'm assuming that Beautylish is going to start to carry. And outside it says coming soon. And the brand is called Good Molecules, the Wake Up Eye Serum. And I love using eye serums. This is a really nice addition. I'm so excited. All right, let's see what this looks like. All right, it comes in a really nice glass bottle, and it comes in a dropper form. It's formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. Pumpkin, that's interesting. I wonder if it smells like pumpkin. No, I don't smell pumpkin, but it does smell good though. But let's just see how thick. Yeah, ooh, that's a really thick serum. Hope you can see that there. And God knows that I need to brighten, firm, and depuff underneath my eyes. So I'm really excited about this. And you get 1 ounce of product in here. Now with this brand, I haven't seen it on their website, so I don't know how much this one will cost. But again, with all the other products, I'll list the price of it here to see how much this bag will cost. I'm just gonna pull the next item up. All right, Oribe, the Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. I love Oribe products, I really do. I love their volumizing line. And there is what the bottle looks like. And you get 1.7 fluid ounce in here. And let me see if it comes in a pump. All right, really nice. I'm glad for Oribe. I love Oribe. All right, let's see what else we got. It's by Sugarpill, Liquid Lip Color. Oh, okay. You know, I haven't heard of this brand before, so I don't know what this is like. Let me see the shade. What shade this is? Trinket. Matte and sparkly. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Didn't break. Alright, this looks to be like a nude color, and here's what the tube looks like with Sugarpill. Let's swatch this and see. Oh, that's pretty. That will look good for a nice nude lip. It does smell good though. I like that scent. And I'm excited that I'm trying a new brand. Alright. And I kind of like this lip color. Alright, a nice nude lip. Let's see what we got next. Oh, we got a brush, a Wayne Goss brush. And I love his brushes. I absolutely love his brushes. And I don't think I have this one. Oh yes, I do. It's number 19. It's a really nice crease brush. So I'm excited to get another one. This is great to get up right in the crease. So yeah, again, I am really excited to be getting another Wayne Goss brush. All right, next. Oh my gosh, we have something from VDL, the Lumilayer Metal Cushion Primer. I have to tell you a story. I saw that, I got an email from Beautylish that they were getting this foundation from VDL. So I called them up to get a sample of it. Now I got I think it was the one that comes in a pump. This one's a cushion. So they sent me a sample, but I'm glad to try this brand. I'm really excited about this one. I really am. I also got samples of the foundation, but with the foundation, there was only 12 shades and it didn't quite match me. I was in between two and yeah, it didn't work out, but I'm excited about the primer. All right, you have two products in here, and here is the compact VDL. Got a mirror inside, and of course the little sponge here, and it already has product inside. So you have one inside the compact, and you do have a refill. So I'm really excited about this brand. I really am. I'm so far really happy with this bag. All right, the last product here, I believe it's an eyeshadow palette, yes, and it's by Viseart. Now I do have to say, I think I have this one. Let me look and see, make sure. Yes, I do have this one. This is the Tryst palette. So it's okay because I will be putting this one in a future giveaway, which is wonderful. All right, all in all, I'm really excited about this year's bag. I love getting this eye serum. This is really nice. And the Oribe, love their products. And this is something new for me, the oil. And this new brand that I haven't heard of before, Sugarpill, trying a liquid lipstick from them. And of course, a Wayne Goss brush. I mean, who doesn't want a nice brush from him? And I'm really excited about this brand right here, VDL, to try their primer. Like I said, I did get a sample from Beautylish. They were able to send me samples, which is a really nice thing for a company to do. And I wanted to put it in my cart, but I said, let me wait. Let me see what's in this year's bag, because I did see in some other videos that they did get some products from VDL, so I waited. And I'm glad I waited because I cannot wait to try this. I'm really excited about this. Let me try to open it up and see what we got. Okay, yes, so you just get it and you push down and you get the product like so. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, this will give you a nice glow. Look at that. Oh, I'm so glad I got this in my box. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Yes. And of course, this palette here by Viseart, the Tryst palette, even though I already have it, I will be putting this one in a future giveaway, so it's all good. It's all good. But I'm really happy about this year's bag. I really am. And I'll try to find the link and put it down below for you guys so you can sign up for next year's Beautylish Lucky Bag. But again, I know I keep saying this, but I'm really excited about this year's bag. I'm really happy with it. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.